What's happening? Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, bringing you another episode of This Tool is Cool. And today I got something. If you're working by yourself and you don't got an extra leg, then this tool is cool. Coming up. What I got here today is the OEM. It's a vacuum pump. It's for bleeding your brakes. It's not the type that goes in the reservoir and you pressurize the reservoir. It goes on the bleeder valve, and you get vacuum on the pump, and then you crack the bleeder valve open. You wait till the air bubbles start coming out, stop coming out, and then you close it. You go around, you do all four corners, starting in the passenger rear, then driver's rear, passenger front, driver front. That would be the order that you would use this in. Let's go ahead and open it up, take a look, see what's inside. All right, so we have the vacuum pump itself right here. Now, I can say one thing. The only thing I do not like about this kit is it does not come with a carrying case. It just has this. That can be kind of troublesome if you're trying to store it. But right here is the vacuum pump itself. So we have the vacuum pump right here. Then you have these caps right here that go with it. So you were to put this cap on like this, turn it, lock it down, turn it to release it. Here's the tubes that go on the inside. So you put one tube on one side, then that goes to the vacuum pump. It's cold, so the rubber's not stretching too easy. So it's set up kind of just like that. Then you take your longer tube that they supply, and you attach it to this end right here. And then you take one of these. They have all sorts of different types of fittings that go on your bleeder valve. They even have a T right in here. Most likely you're going to end up using one of these. You can use these and stick it inside the hole of the bleeder itself. Okay, so inside of this one right here, there is a barrel connector. That barrel connector is going to go in your hose here. Just press it in like that. Then you take whatever one you're going to use for bleeding. You put it in on the other side like that. You're going to press that down on top of the bleeder valve. All right, so once you get it all together, you get this on there. It turns in there somehow. Locks in like that. This doesn't feel like metal. It might be. It feels like hard plastic. It's not a metal one. So there's your pressure gauge for your vacuum. You're going to pump vacuum. As you can see, the vacuum's rising. Then you open. So, and then see, I just got my thumb on it right there. It's keeping vacuum. And if you see the vacuum gauge, as I release, the vacuum drops. Now, when the vacuum's dropping like that, what it's going to do is it's going to pretty much pull the vacuum and suck your brake fluid through the tube into this, getting all those air bubbles that are trapped inside your lines out. So it's a one-man job. You can use this to do it completely by yourself. I mean, it doesn't have a fancy carrying case. You're gonna have to figure out the carrying case. All right, so here's the whole setup. I got it at AutoZone. It ran me about, I think it was $38 after tax. But if you've ever had to bleed your brakes, it can be a total pain, especially if no one's around. And next weekend, I got a great video for you guys that is gonna involve using this. So I'll go further in depth how it works, and I'll give you a better review of what I actually think about this OEM from AutoZone, around $38. I mean, so far, it holds vacuum. When you release it, it pulls. It seems like it's gonna do what I want it to. But next weekend will be the test of this. I'm gonna have to bleed all my brakes because I got something coming up that involves braking and say, you know, line lock. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be next weekend. I thank you for watching. This is Life in a Mustang, bringing you This Tool is Cool. I bring you tools that you can use in or around your shop or on your car. I put out 2 videos every Sunday. One is some type of vlog, one is some type of how-to. The other is This Tool is Cool. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Peace.